sharing with you guys things that I've recently purchased from Amazon and things that I already own from Amazon, that too of a good quality. So as you all know, buying things online has become a very tricky thing because we are unsure whether the purchase will be a success or a fail. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks that I use in my online shopping and which you can use in your online shopping to get a good quality product. So you must have noticed there are many products that are showing multiple times in Amazon. Why? Because there are different sellers in it. Also, all the products doesn't have same kind of quality because each product may vary. Some products can have a good quality and some may not. So what I usually do is I click on the filter and then I go to their average rating section and then I select 4 and above ratings. So that means that all the products that I'm going to be viewing in that Amazon tab will be of good quality, that is 4-star and above. So you can try this. And so one more thing that I do after selecting the average tab is I search the product that I need to purchase. I search the product and then I scroll it down. You'll get a review section below. You can check the reviews of that product. What are you getting? Majority of times there are 80% and above good reviews and 20% can be a damaged product. But in the average rating section, 4-star and the above, I guess all products are pretty good quality if you search well and you apply all the tricks that I am saying. And this is how I have purchased my Amazon products till now, and they are lasting till now and it's of a good quality. So if you are interested in buying any of the products that I am going to be showing you now, you can click on the link below and then you can select the product, add to your cart and buy it from there. Otherwise, it's your choice to go directly onto their app and search it by yourself. So I have never been disappointed with any of my product purchases from Amazon till now. It's just because of using all the tips that I am giving in my video. So there are a few products that I've purchased in 2019 and I thought why not let's include those products in this haul as well, just because to show you guys that they are all good quality and so you can buy these products according to your own wants and needs. And without wasting much time, let's jump into the video. So the very first thing that I'm going to be showing in this haul is this tripod from Amazon that I purchased in 2019. So those who don't know, I and my co-partner takes dance workshops every weekend and we wanted to buy a tripod to shoot our dance videos. Hence we purchased this tripod which I'm going to be showing you right now, and the quality I must say is pretty good and it's still working very fine and it's very sturdy. It's not shaky. Your videos are perfect. So it has this cover in which it comes, and after removing, this is the product which you get. So this is a pretty good quality. It has adjustable legs. So it is I guess 6 feet long, which is pretty good, and the quality is so good. I must say, if any of you are planning to buy a tripod and are beginners, you can definitely go for this. Not that expensive as well. This I guess we purchased it around for I guess 1400 or 1200 rupees, something like that. So it's pretty good quality. It is of Amazon Basics. So anyone who is a beginner and wants to buy a tripod can definitely go for this. So the next thing that I have purchased, and it's my favorite, is this belly belt which I purchased for learning belly dancing, which I didn't do, but this is how the belt look. It has all the sequence work going on and it's pretty good quality. This also I purchased in 2019 here and it's still looking new. So I usually keep this belt like this in a corner or something, but still it has not yet damaged. All the sequence are pretty good and are of a good quality, I must say. They are very nice and very glittery. I love this product. And so for those who are interested in purchasing belly belts, can definitely go and buy this one if you want a multicolor one. This retails for I guess 599 or 500 rupees. You also get an option of a cheaper one that is 200, 250 rupees. You can try that, but I haven't tried it. I like this multicolor one, so I purchased it. So yeah. So the next thing that I got from Amazon is this paddle brush for my hair, and it is pretty good quality. I ordered this in 2019 and it's very nice. The brush itself is so smooth and it's not hard. It's not hard on your hair, your scalp. It's pretty nice. You can brush your hair. It's very nice product. And so this retails for I guess 200 or 250 rupees, something like that, but it's pretty good quality and the color is very in. So anyone who is interested in buying this paddle brush can definitely go for this one. So the next product that I ordered from Amazon was this makeup kit, that is an eyeshadow palette and a highlighter. Both are from Swiss Beauty Cosmetics. They are pretty good quality. The pigmentation is very nice for this eyeshadow. It's pretty cheap as well. I guess this retails for 150 or 200 rupees and you get 9 shades in this, and all the shades are very pigmented. And the next thing that I am talking is the highlighter, which I use it every single time I do my makeup. This has 4 shades in it and this is how it looks. You get this for I guess 150 rupees or so. You can check it. I'll provide the link in the description box below. You can definitely go and check this out. This is also a good highlighter. So these products are pretty good, and anyone who is interested in buying this can definitely check the link in my description box below and definitely go and try these products. These are of good quality. And after this I also purchased one more eyeshadow palette, which is of Hilary Rhoda. I guess this is how it is pronounced. So this retails for 199 again, and you get multiple colorful shades in this. I'll just open it and show it to you guys. You get so many shades in this. Pigmentation wise, it's not that great, but it works well. So today what I'm wearing is from this eyeshadow only. So for beginners who want to try any eyeshadow palettes can definitely go for this one. This has a medium pigmentation, not very pigmented but not too less. It gets a very nice color, which you can see I have applied it on my eyes. And yeah, so since we are talking about the eyeshadow palettes, I thought why not show you the eyeshadow brushes that I got from Amazon. So you get 4 brushes in one pack. One is for the concealer. You can use it for concealing your under eye or eye area. Second brush is this pencil brush, which you get to highlight your inner corners or brow bones. And the next 2 brushes you get is the eyeshadow brush, which you can do to blend your eyeshadows. So I guess it retails for 120 rupees, and in 120 rupees if you get 2 brushes, I get it's a great deal. So when I was satisfied with this product, I purchased another one recently, which was these makeup brushes. This comes in a set. So I got this set for around 250 or 300 rupees, which has I guess 8 brushes, one makeup brush cleaner, and the other one I guess is a scrubber or what, I don't know, but it's something very weird. I'm not going to use that. But the brushes and the cleanser both are pretty good quality. Sorry, they are not 8 brushes, they are total 10 brushes, 5 eyeshadow brushes and 5 face brushes, and all of these are again of good quality. Same brand, same purchase, but in a good quantity. So I must suggest you guys that you can go and try these brushes. They are very inexpensive and also of a good quality. So for beginners who want to just begin doing their makeup, they can definitely go and try these. I like the color of these brushes. They are baby pink. You also get black in the same one, so you can definitely go and try these one. So the next purchase that I have done from Amazon is an obvious one, which is the hand gloves, which you guys know is very important these days. I ordered these in a pack wherein I got 3 pairs. So I am showing you only one now, rest 2 I don't know where they are. So these are pretty good quality. These are rubber hand gloves, and I guess it's very good and safe in these kind of environment. So these retails for 250 rupees, and in 250 rupees if you get 3 pair, then I guess it's a great deal. So the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is this, because I'm using it currently to shoot my videos. So it's this Manfrotto tripod, which I have recently purchased from Amazon, and this is such a good quality. This retails for 1400 or 1200 rupees I guess, but it's of a so good quality. I purchased it to shoot my YouTube videos or dance videos, and it has such a great quality. It also has a press button where you press it and it can move accordingly. So if you press the button, it will come down, it will go up, it will go round and round. You can see it here. Along with this, I purchased this mobile holder, because this tripod doesn't comes with a mobile holder, so I have to purchase that separately. So this is a Slovak tripod mount, which you can call it as a mobile holder. So this you have to just twist it over the tripod and you can adjust it. So the best quality of this holder is you can actually twist and turn it. If you want a horizontal video, you can twist it accordingly. If you want a vertical video, you can twist it accordingly. You just have to rotate the snip that is given, and you can just rotate the ratio however you want it. So if you want to shoot a YouTube video, you can put it like this. If you want to do an IGTV, you can put it like this. So for those who are willing to purchase a good quality tripod, can definitely go and try this one. So the next thing that I'm going to be showing you is, obviously girls will relate to this, is this face erasers from Tinkle. So you guys know it's been very difficult in lockdown situation wherein salons were off, and that time I thought of purchasing it, but unfortunately e-commerce websites were also off. So I ordered this to remove the facial hair, and this comes in a pack of 2, and I guess the price for this was 300 rupees for pack of 2. When 300 rupees you get 6 razors, and each razors last you up to 7 to 8 times aram se, and that's the reason I got this. I have used it previously as well, and they are absolutely good quality. And if anyone is interested in shaving their face or wants to do it, can definitely go and try this brand. This is from Tinkle. So you get a lot of other brands as well, but I have got always good reviews, and I have used the Tinkle one, which suits the face and it's of a good quality. So you should definitely go and try this one. So the next thing that I got from Amazon is this box of fake nails, which I guess retails for 350 or 400 rupees, but you get 500 fake nails in this box. You can already see that I have posted a video on how to do nail extensions at home. You can definitely go and check that video. I'll put the link in the description box below, or somewhere on the top, so you can definitely go and check that video out. You can see that I did this last week, and it's almost 7 days, and it still looks perfectly fine. The nail quality is very good. It is very sturdy. It's not shaking at all. In spite of doing all the household work, it's still working very fine. So anyone who wants to purchase fake nails can definitely try this box, because it's of a good quality, and you get 500 nails, and in 350 rupees you get 500 nails is a bit good deal. So, but obviously if you have a box of fake nails, you're definitely gonna need a glue, and this is from Miss Claire. So I have seen a lot of salons using this product, and this retails for 180 or 200 rupees, but it's worth the money. So those who are looking for a nail glue can definitely go and try this one. This is of a very good quality. So since we are talking about the nails, I thought why not show you the nail polish remover that I got recently from Amazon. This is Color Bar acetone free nail enamel remover. So this comes in 100 ml bottle, and this retails for, I guess, 100 rupees or 120 rupees, which is pretty good, because I have seen many other brands giving only 30 ml products and charging 120-150 rupees for a 30 ml, and this is 110 ml product, and this retails for around 110 or 120 rupees, which I guess is a big steal. So it's of a brand Color Bar, which again is a good brand. So you can definitely go and try this one if you. So the next thing is very obvious, everyone knows about this. This is the Casting Creme Gloss by L'Oreal. This is the hair color in the shade dark brown. I was very much looking for a shade dark brown. So I searched this product nearby location. I couldn't find this shade, so I purchased it online and I found it. So this is in hair color, not to talk much about it, everyone knows about it. So the last and final thing that I'm going to be showing you from this haul is this organizer, which I recently purchased from Amazon. This is 16 compartment multi-grade acrylic makeup organizer, and this is how the box looks. I'll just quickly show you how it looks from inside. So this came in bubble wrapping. So in Amazon, when I was searching for an organizer, I could see that it has same image, but there were multiple people selling the same product. So I was very confused whether which one to buy. So I opted my technique, going and searching for an average rating of 4 and above, and I found this one, and look at the quality. This is so good, such a good quality organizer. It has 16 compartments in it. You can keep your lipsticks over here. You can keep anything over here. You can keep your brushes at the back, and you can keep all your foundations and concealers over here. So I loved this product so much that I reordered it, and I purchased one more of the same brand, and I got it. So now I have 2 organizers, and I'm very happy. I'm quickly going to start my dressing table makeover, and I'll show you how it looks. So anyone who is interested in buying any organizers, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can check this product and buy this product only, because I'm not sure if other organizers are of good quality or no, but I have purchased it and it's pretty good. It's very sturdy. It's very nice. The quality also is damn good. So you can definitely go and try this one. So this is how I buy my things from Amazon, using all the tips that I use to get a good quality product. And if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time, and all links for these products are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it before you sign off. Bye.